Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to download all the photos and videos from Google Photos to our computer. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If we are an Android user, then most probably Google Photos is one of the main places for us to store all our photos and videos. And thanks to Google One subscription, we can now store as many photos and videos we want as well. To download the Google Photos content to our computer, there is a way to do that. On our desktop, we have to open a web browser and go to photos.google.com. Then we have to make sure that we have logged in using our required Google account, and we can see all the photos here. We can select them and we can download them. We can also select multiple photos and we can use the download option here. This is fine for a few photos and videos, but not for large quantity. So we can go to this settings option here, select that. And if we scroll down, we will have this export your data option. Select this and select backup here. This will open the Google Takeout page. You can see the URL here, takeout.google.com. We can also type this individually. Here we can see Google Photos product. So it is already selected, and we can also go to the photo albums and we can select the one we want. That's all. After that, we have to select next step here. So we have all these options here. We have destination, we have email, drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, box. Mostly send download link via email is fine. When your files are ready, you will get an email with the download link. You will have 1 week to download your files. So we can select this. Next we have frequency. Depending on our preference, we can select this. I'll now choose export once. Next we have file type. Zip is fine. This is universal. Then we have file size. We have from 1 GB to 50 GB. So let's say your Google Photos library size is 10 GB. If you select 2 GB here, then you will get 5 zip files with 2 GB each. Overall it will be 10 GB. So we can select the one we want here. I'll go with 2 GB now. So after checking all these options, we can select create export. Google is creating a copy of data from Google Photos. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. So that's all. We have to wait for that. Depending on the Google Photos library size, the time will vary. So we just have to wait for the email. So this is how the email looks. Your Google data is ready to download. So we have 1 week time to download this. We just have to select manage Google takeout request. So the total size is around 400 MB. So we just have to select the download option here. So we have to do the account verification as well. After that, it will start to download the file. So after the download, it will look like this. This is the zip file. This is the unzipped version. We just have to open it. Google Photos. This is our album. We can see all the photos here. That's all we have to do. These are the steps to download all the photos and videos from Google Photos to our computer. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.